Join me in this series of videos to explore our 2023 boat trip. In this video, we will be going 137 miles from Huron, Michigan to the Frankfurt Municipal Marina. Hi guys, welcome to the beginning of the 2-week vacation. As of right now, we are going to be leaving tomorrow because today is Friday, so we're going to be leaving on Saturday. Our original plan was to leave on Friday, but sadly the weather is kind of windy, so we'd rather want to go on a calm day. So yeah, tomorrow we're going to wake up pretty early and we're going to head out. Good morning guys, it is 6:15. It's a very beautiful morning. There's definitely a lot of dew this morning, so I'm gonna go out and wipe the bow. But it is a very good morning, and surprisingly, even though it's only 6:15, it's pretty light out. Sunrise is at 6:25. So yeah, we're gonna do a few jobs and then we're going to head out. We're just coming up to Little Sable Point, which is really fun because it has the Little Sable Point lighthouse. So yeah, pretty excited. So far the ride has gone good. There was a storm around Muskegon, just a little one, but luckily we could outrun it. But the wind definitely picked up. But now we've gotten through that. So yeah, everything's doing well. Just enjoying our time. So we're going to stop at Big Sable Point now, and we're going to see if we can get a tour in the lighthouse. They say that there's open tours, so we're going to see if we can get a tour. So we're going to anchor the North Star, and then we're going to bring the Little Dipper in to the beach. Woo. So, 90 steps, there's gonna be a low patch. Lots of signs of low patch ahead. Spooky. And through here we go. Wow, great airflow up here.
Good.
First one. Second one. And, ooh. And the third one. Pretty cool. Pretty excited to go on the catwalk outside.
Good afternoon. Underway, just leaving Big Sable Point, Sable Point as some would say. Underway. Generator going, idling away. Lighthouse in the background. Having a good day. Brighter skies ahead. But first, we'll make some lunch.
Made it to Frankfurt. Very nice day, super calm. We are glad that we got to do a lot of cruising today because we really did get to do a lot of cruising, which was super fun. So yeah, it's good to get back cruising on the North Star. Hello, hello?
Today we are at the playground.
Yes, we are. Very nice place at the Frankfurt Municipal Marina. Now, Hazel, how did you like our cruise up to here?
Oh, it was amazing. A little windy, but so good.
Yeah, I liked it. Did you like it when we stopped at the Big Sable Lighthouse and we got to swim in and climb up it?
Sorry, but not swimming, but take the dinghy in.
Yes, sorry about that.
Yeah, I even have my sticker on still.
Yeah, so do I. Yeah, so that was really fun. I enjoyed that. And then, did you like the cruising part too?
Oh yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah, it was fun how we got to like wake up kind of early and like leave the marina and then come to Frankfurt.
For sure.
Yeah, and then tomorrow we have a slip in Leland So that would be really fun.
Woo!
Yeah, that'll be fun.
So excited.
Yeah, same here. All right, well, thank you for your time interviewing.
Yeah, of course.
All right, see you soon.
Yep. See you soon.
Bye.
Hello? Hello, and welcome to Frankfurt. It was a great day cruising, and we just finished dinner. We're gonna go walk around town and check things out, see if we can track down Destiny, who may have their boat here. We'll talk to you later.
Just on our walk. Just looking at this little fountain, wish fountain. Pretty cool. Well, we found our boat neighbor's boat. Actually, two of them. So we found Destiny, which we're good friends with them. Then we also found the big black sailboat, which is in front of our slip. Right there's the big black sailboat. So yeah. Coming right down tonight.